Okay, I want to show you my setup that I have here. Um, First of all, right here is the Sound City Master Lead 50. That's the amplifier used for guitar, used for bass, used for electric ukulele. And that goes into a 2 notes Captor X attenuator. Okay, and then we're going to walk around to the back of the unit here. Don't get dizzy on me, guys. Don't get dizzy. All right. Here we go. We're going to go to the back of the unit here. And you can see, maybe see, back this up a little bit. You can see the orange and red cords going from the back of the attenuator here. Now these go down into my DBX stereo EQ. Then from there, we go into the powered PA system right here into the stereo input. Now from there, we have the 2 speaker outputs that go into these Schroeder cabinets. These have a 12-inch tweeter, a 12-inch woofer, and a titanium bullet tweeter. So they're good for bass, and they're also good for everything else too because of the frequency range. Now, let's turn it on and see if it's alive. Now, for the front of the unit, I use an ABY pedal. And then these are 18-volt power supplies, one of which powers this power supply, which goes to the compressor, and another 18-volt goes directly to the MXR modified EQ. That goes into the looper, which goes into the front of the amp. Now, as you can see, the stage spaghetti is quite extensive, so I need some help on how to tame that stage spaghetti. But let's turn it on and see. It's nice and quiet. First, we turn on the power conditioner. We have everything plugged in here. Now we're going to turn on. We turn on the. I have a tuner here too for all the instruments so you can tell if they're in tune at all times. Let's turn on the amp. Okay, standby is off. As you can hear, there's not a lot of noise out of this unit. Okay, I have a microphone hooked up here. Testing, 1, 2, testing, 1, 2, testing, 1, 2. So you can see, not very noisy system. And it does sound really good.